Hello Eagle Targeters, welcome back to our channel, where we consistently deliver the latest and fastest updates in the field of current military affairs.
The V-22 Osprey is a multi-role combat aircraft that utilizes tilt-rotor technology to combine the vertical performance of a helicopter with the speed and range of a fixed-wing aircraft. When its rotors are in a vertical position, it can take off, land, and hover like a helicopter. Once airborne, it can transition into a turboprop plane capable of high-speed and high-altitude flight. This combination provides a global reach capability, allowing the V-22 to fill an operational niche unmatched by any other aircraft. Boeing's mission includes optimizing the readiness of the global Osprey fleet. From performance-based logistics contracts and integrated fleet support to maintenance, modifications, and vertical lift repairs, Boeing offers a wide range of innovative products and services. These services directly support and enhance the aircraft's capabilities while reducing the total cost of ownership. Award-winning services range from transactional spare parts to complete lifecycle support solutions, uniquely tailored to the needs of each V-22 customer. In addition to the MV-22 series, Bell Boeing has developed the CV-22 series specifically for the U.S. Air Force Special Operations Command. In 2013, the company received an order from the U.S. Naval Air Systems Command to produce 99 V-22 tilt rotors, including 92 MV-22s for the Marine Corps and 7 CV-22s for Air Force Special Operations. According to Boeing, the V-22 Osprey is the first aircraft designed from the ground up to meet the needs of the U.S. Armed Forces. In partnership with Boeing, Bell Helicopter Textron is responsible for building the tilt-rotor aircraft capable of vertical takeoff and landing like a helicopter. However, once airborne, the V-22 can be converted into a turboprop aircraft capable of high-speed and high-altitude flight. Boeing is responsible for creating the aircraft's fuselage and all its subsystems, including digital avionics and fly-by-wire flight control systems. The 30-ton aircraft can transport passengers and cargo, conduct combat search and rescue missions, support fleet logistic transport, and provide long-range transportation for special operations. According to Bell Flight, the aircraft, which can carry 24 personnel, also supports rescue operations. The aircraft's hoist and hover capabilities enable it to evacuate personnel from water or rough terrain. The CV-22 series is specially equipped to support the infiltration and exfiltration of special operations forces anywhere, anytime, day or night, thanks to its tilt-rotor capability. When not used for military missions, the aircraft is also suitable for VIP transport. Its vertical maneuverability allows it to land quickly anywhere, and its interior can be designed to support high-ranking officials. Manufacturers claim the aircraft is highly durable, as demonstrated by numerous missions in diverse environments ranging from deserts to the Arctic.
Thank you for watching. Hopefully, this show can broaden the knowledge for you and your family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help grow this channel even bigger.